What's up guys? If you're new to my channel, my name is Ohemaa. Welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch this video. I know I said it once before, but in my head, I'm like, oh my God, I'm gonna record a video. Oh my God, we're gonna be turned up, you know? And then I sit down and it's, welcome guys to my channel. How are you doing today? I don't know how, I don't know how that translates into the welcome part, but in my head I'm like, yeah, we're doing this, and I'm editing, I'm like, why am I so calm? You know what I mean? And today I'm gonna do a second video because I did record this video the first time. I'm gonna use the Anastasia Riviera palette, okay? And where is that? Oh, I found it. I can never find anything on here. And I'm also gonna try out the Dewy Set on myself. I did film a video with these two before, and that was a struggle video for me because I wanted to use like all Anastasia products, and some things just like, it was one of those days where nothing was gonna go right, like no matter what I did. And I tried really hard to make it go right, you know, like I was trying to make it go right and it just wasn't going right, so I had to like just chuck the whole thing. I actually finished the video. It wasn't a bad look. I'm not feeling it, you know? So I'm just gonna do like a second try. So yeah, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. Okay, so first I'm gonna prime my eyes with the NYX eyeshadow primer. It's the same primer I've been using for a while now, so I can't find my other ones though. And then I like to blend it in with my finger. I like priming my eyelids because it helps keep the base in place, and it also holds onto everything. Even though you could use a base only, I like using the primer and the base. Okay, so today I'll be using the Plousie Rumour 5 base. Okay, and I'm going to apply that all over my eyelids and then blend it in. I know it's a brown shade, but it's still pretty light on me. I am using the Huda Beauty Build and Blend double-ended brush to blend out the base. Okay, so we're jumping into the Riviera palette. I almost said Riviera. So we're jumping into the Riviera palette, you guys, and this is what the palette looks like on the inside. I'm very sure you've seen this palette everywhere. I feel like the only shades I can actually use that will stand out on my skin very clearly is the Bahamas and the Can, which is the two, this one and this one. This one I can use to blend out this one. I'm using an exact blender, and this is the E32 brush from Sigma. So what I'm gonna do now is take the shade Bahamas. I'm going to apply that all over my lid. I'm patting it down into the base so that it can stick to the base and show up really nicely. I'm also putting it on my eyelids towards the center. I'm just packing it in, just making sure I have enough pigment. I'm not blending it, I'm just packing it on. Okay, so this is what we got. The payoff looks really nice. It's very pigmented. It's very even. I don't have any patchy spots on my eyelids, and it's stuck onto the base really nicely. I'm just gonna wait a little bit for the base to dry a little bit, and then I'll come back and blend out the edges. Okay, so now I'm taking the shade Can, which is this purple shade in here, and I'm going to blend that all over the pink that I just laid down. Doing this because it gives me the shade that I'm looking for without it being like intensely purple. It looks like a purplish pinkish shade. And I'm using a Sigma Crease shader brush for this. This is E47 brush. I'm just placing this everywhere that I'm going to cut my crease, and essentially everywhere I just place that Bahamas shade. I'm just gonna lightly blend into the pink that we just laid down. So Can is blending very beautifully into Bahamas. It's looking like the powders are both blend very beautifully together. So it's not like patchy once I'm starting to put it on. I mean, you can see on the camera if it looked patchy. I feel like the camera will pick it up more than I would. Okay, I'm just blending both colors together at the very edge of my eye so that it looks beautiful and seamless and blended together. I'm using the same brush to do this blending. Okay, I am using our first brush that we use to apply our Bahamas, and I'm using that to blend out the edge of this. So I'm taking some more of the purple shade, which is Can, and I'm going to blend into the pink that we laid down so that the line that you see over here will not be there anymore. Okay, so I'm taking the shade Monte Carlo, which is this one. I'm going to use that to blend out the edge of the look that we just put down, so it's a little bit more blended. So I'm gonna go ahead and create that spotlight look that I got going on. I'm looking straight ahead and right here. So I'm gonna place it and look up so I can find out where I'm gonna cut my crease. And I'll cut slightly above that. This is the Benai DB8 brush, and I'm taking Inheritance, and that's this shade. It's the golden shimmer shade that's in the palette. I'm going to place that where I just cut the crease. Just look how easily like it sticks onto the concealer, onto the base, and it is so smooth. Like, I don't have to dig into it. It actually picks up very beautifully with the brush. I'm taking the shade Palmero. It's the shimmer shade Palmero. That's this one over here, and place that directly on where I just placed my pink shade because I want it to shimmer a little bit more. And then I'm going to take some more Bahamas and blend everything together. Okay, so I am going to clean off the excess on my eyes at an angle. I'm being very careful not to hurt my skin. I'm gonna use my Q-tip to get a more precise line. I obviously have some makeup remover on there, so it will give me a better... Okay, so I'm gonna go in and go ahead with my skin, and then I'll come back and we will complete the eyes. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished look about the Anastasia Riviera palette and the Dewy Set. The Dewy Set doesn't really make your face like super wet, like super extra dewy. It's actually a really beautiful finish on the setting spray. It just essentially makes you less matte, because I know there are matte setting sprays, but this one doesn't. This Dewy Set does not leave you looking slick and wet, so it's not bad. The spray on it, the nozzle on it though, could be a little bit more fine. I feel like the Morphe Continuous Mist kind of fine is what I expect out of all setting sprays now. Mine finished a long time ago. I need to get another one though, I know that much. But yeah, the Dewy Set is really fine. I like it. I use the highlighter So Hollywood loose highlighter. The thing I like about the highlighter is that it's a fine highlighter. It's a very finely milled loose highlighter, and I like how it spreads on my skin. I just don't like that sharp contrast between the highlighter and my skin. I feel weird about that. It's just me though. But I also have that in my inner corner, and it's super shiny. The gold on my eyelids seems to be lost in my lights, but I have gold on my eyelids, not just any. It's the yellow gold that's in the palette. Okay, so that's what I have on my eyelids. About the Riviera palette, the powders, the mattes blend really beautifully together. The shimmers are very creamy, and they applied very easily and spread very easily and glide on very easily. And they glide on very easily, and I like it. The mattes mix very well together, so that's a good thing. I do, however, feel like the mattes in here that we can use for transition shade as dark skinned girls are the two deep shades, and everything else is like in there to help us blend that out, in my opinion. The only option for me that will show up really intensely on my skin are the two that I used today. The others just show up a little bit ashy on me. You can definitely pick up this palette. It's a cute palette. I like the design on it. It's different from all the other ones that they sent me. So yeah, well, that's it for my first impressions on the Anastasia Riviera palette and the Dewy Set together. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy the eye look, the video, the whole look, if you think the whole thing is a vibe, then leave me a big thumbs up. And also thank you so much for watching this video. I love you guys so much. Let me know down below in the comments what you think. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.